What's up, guys? So we are done with our garage door inside Kasoa, and it looks very clean. We give the clients what we call the fan lights, very neat, and then the garage door too, also neatly installed by GI Technologies and Welco Engineering. So let me operate the garage door and see how it goes. Very smooth and clean. If you have any projects, make sure you give us a call. We are the best guys on the market. I always tell you, we have the best prices, and we always do the best job. So you see how clean and neat and cool the garage panels are moving. All right, let me trigger it again. We are the best garage company in Ghana. Like I'm saying, if you have any projects, just give us the dimension. We'll give you an estimate. We'll come and work around it, and then when everything is done, we'll commission, and then you'll be happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.